Hi, this is Fred from Home for the Long Haul. A lot of seniors are curious about artificial intelligence but aren't sure how it can actually help them in everyday life. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 practical ways Grok AI can help seniors right now in 2026. These are real uses I've tested and found useful, not complicated tech talk. You don't need to be a computer expert to benefit from these. You can simply type or speak your questions in everyday language and get clear answers. Number 5. Helping with everyday questions and research. Grok is excellent at answering practical questions clearly and directly. You can ask about senior discounts, Medicare options, local resources, how something works, or almost any everyday topic. Instead of searching through dozens of websites and trying to figure out which information is reliable, you can just ask in plain English and get a straightforward answer. For example, you might ask, "What senior discounts are available at major grocery stores right now?" Or, "How does the Medicare open enrollment period work this year?" Or, "What documents do I need to renew my passport?" Or, "Are there any local transportation options for seniors in my area?" It can save you a lot of time and frustration. It's like having a patient helper available whenever you need information without having to dig through long articles, confusing websites, or advertisements. You can also ask follow-up questions if the first answer isn't clear enough. This makes research much less overwhelming for many seniors. Number 4. Writing letters, emails, and important documents. Many seniors need to write letters to doctors, insurance companies, Social Security, the IRS, or family members. Grok can help you draft clear, polite, and professional messages. You simply tell it what you want to say, and it helps you organize the words into a proper letter or email. This is especially helpful if writing feels difficult, if you're not sure how to start, if you get stuck finding the right words, or if English isn't your first language. You can ask it to make the letter shorter, more formal, more polite, or easier to understand. You can even paste in something you've already started and ask it to improve it. Many people find this feature alone makes dealing with paperwork and official correspondence much less stressful. It can help with thank you notes, complaint letters, requests for information, or even simple messages to family. Having clear written communication can make a real difference when dealing with companies or government agencies. Number 3. Planning trips and travel. If you're planning a trip, whether it's a cruise, train travel, visiting family, or a longer vacation, Grok can help you organize the details. You can ask for senior-friendly travel tips, compare options, or create a simple step-by-step plan. For example, it can help you figure out how to combine Amtrak and a cruise without driving or flying, suggest the best times of year to travel to avoid crowds and high prices, list what documents you need, or help you think through accessibility needs. It can also help you prepare questions to ask when booking, remind you about travel insurance, or suggest ways to build extra time into your schedule so you don't feel rushed. This kind of planning support is especially useful for seniors who want to travel but prefer a more relaxed and organized approach. It can take a lot of the stress out of getting ready for a trip. Number 2. Explaining complicated topics in simple language. Things like Social Security rules, Medicare changes, insurance paperwork, medical terms, or government forms can be confusing and frustrating. Grok is particularly good at breaking these topics down into plain language. You can ask it to explain something as if you're talking to a friend or in simple terms for a senior, and it will usually give a clear, easy-to-understand answer. You can also ask follow-up questions until you fully understand the topic. This is one of the most valuable uses for many seniors. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by complicated documents, long government websites, or medical jargon, you can get a plain English explanation that actually makes sense. Many people use this feature to better understand their benefits, medical instructions, or financial paperwork. Being able to understand the information in front of you is a big help. Number 1. Helping with daily organization and problem solving. This is one of the most practical and useful features for everyday life. You can ask Grok to help you make a simple monthly budget, create a weekly schedule, suggest ways to cut expenses, or brainstorm solutions to everyday problems. It can also help you remember steps for tasks, write shopping lists, organize information, or come up with ideas for staying active and engaged. For many seniors living on a fixed income or managing a household alone, this kind of practical support can make daily life noticeably easier. Whether you're trying to manage money more carefully, plan meals, figure out a household problem, or just get organized, having a tool that can help you think things through is valuable. It doesn't replace your own judgment, but it can give you useful ideas and structure when you need it. One more practical tip, you can also use Grok to help you prepare for appointments. For example, you can ask it to help you write a list of questions for your doctor, organize your medical history, or create a simple checklist before a meeting with Social Security or an insurance company. Small things like this can make appointments less stressful and more productive. Important note, Grok is a helpful tool, but it is not a doctor, lawyer, or financial advisor. Always double-check important information, especially medical, legal, or financial advice, and consult qualified professionals when needed. Use it as a helper and research assistant, not as a replacement for expert advice. Artificial intelligence is becoming more useful for seniors who want practical help without complicated technology. You don't need to be a computer expert to benefit from it. You can simply type or speak your question in everyday language and get useful answers. What do you think? Have you tried using AI tools like Grok yet, or is there something specific you'd like help with as a senior? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one for they can help other viewers. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more practical tips for seniors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.